Where to find Schedule C in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Schedule C is used to report self-employment income and expenses for sole proprietors, freelancers, and independent contractors. If you want to find Schedule C, you want to open the TurboTax app or open the TurboTax website. Now log into your account, select Continue or Start a New Return. Now you want to click on the search icon. Here you want to search for Schedule C. Now select the Jump to link. Answer yes to did you have any self-employment income or expenses. If you've already entered self-employment work and need to enter more, select Add another line of work. Now follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Schedule C. You will have to enter details such as your business information, income and expenses. Once all of that is done, you want to review the information you have entered. After reviewing your entries, TurboTax will include Schedule C with your tax return. You can then e-file or print and mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.